Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. Or welcome to my channel, as I should say. Today is the sweetener tour. Woo! I am so excited. I'm going with my friend Jordan, so I thought I would film a get ready with me. This is my style inspiration for tonight. I believe the haul that I just filmed is going to be up before this video, so actually no. I'm not sure. But in the haul video I just filmed, I showed you guys the pieces that I bought to emulate that look. The pants that I got are pretty much spot on. The shirt not so much, but I just got a white cami crop top thing. I mean, you can't really go wrong with one of those. And then I'm just gonna wear some maroon docs. She has her single French braid with the little hoop things and then just a ponytail. A few months back I got this little extension piece that you use for ponytails, but I tested it out probably a few weeks back and it is so heavy. I actually felt my scalp ripping off. Instead, I'm gonna do a look that's more like this, but I'm gonna do the two French braids and then actually put the hoops in it. I really want to wear the hoops. I got them off of Amazon, by the way. Here are the gold hoops. I featured these in my haul also. So yeah, I just don't see myself wearing these anywhere else. So even though I'm no longer doing the ponytail hairstyle, I just want the little gems in my hair, okay? Put my hair in a middle part. That's as far as I got. And my hair is never in a middle part. I feel like it makes me look like a bowling pin, but we're gonna roll with it. So I have my little comb. I'm gonna section off two sides for me to French braid. Also, I've never had space buns in my life, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna get sections about that big. I'm just gonna make sure that that is very smooth and straight. And on the back, it just looks like this. Put it in a little twisty bun and bobby pin it just to section off that spot right there. Also, I'm out of breath because I can't breathe out of my nose. I'm having sinus issues again, so that's so cool. Seriously, the best. Okay, so now I have to try to get the same size section on the other side. Look at all my baby hairs. My arms already hurt. How am I supposed to do this? Now from the back, it's kind of hard to see back there, but I'm just going to... Oh, hell no, those are not even. Irene, what is you doing? Okay, I damn near want to start over. I'm mad now. Please do not hate on me, you guys. I absolutely never do my hair. Like, absolutely, I do nothing with my hair. Can you tell? Did I not make that clear enough? And then, oh my, Irene, you're looking mighty strange. It's a little off center. The issue with me and doing my hair is that if I don't do it at all, then I can just rest assured knowing that if it looks bad, at least I didn't have anything to do with it looking bad. It just is what it is. But if I do my hair, I am such a perfectionist that I will not let it be. I will just keep going at it until my scalp hurts. I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and just sort of pull it back into a low ponytail so that it's out of the way. Can you believe you're actually watching a YouTube video and I look like this? Like, I feel bad for you guys. I'm so sorry that you're going through this tough time and have resorted to watching this channel. So I have a couple little hair elastics. They're just black bands that I'm going to be using to secure the braid once I get it back there. And I'm actually a decent hair braider too, and this is hard for me. So I commend all of you ladies who love to do your hair, or that are patient enough to do it. Couldn't be me. Alright you guys, it's been a minute. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Basically what you guys didn't see, I was braiding this one, turned off the camera, I braided it and it looked really sloppy, so I was like, I think I know what I can do better next time. So I moved on to this one, did something a little better, and I was like, it looks nicer, but I think I could do better. So I moved on to this side and did it, and I really like how this one came out. It's super clean. So now I have to do this one more time, because now I know how I need to do it. And so I guess I did each braid twice. The way that I figured out how to do this one a little better is I wet my hair because I have a lot of little baby hairs, and a lot of flyaways were sticking out. So I wet it first, and then I used this Method of Style Super Hold Styling Gel. We got this years ago from the dollar store. Let me go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll get back to you. Next step are the little space buns. I'm just gonna pull out this part of the braid, make it really big, and this is what's gonna give the space bun a little bit more volume at the base. And this part isn't gonna show, so it's fine if it's not looking beautiful. Oh, also you're gonna wanna have some bobby pins on standby, so let me go ahead and grab some. Funny how you can only find bobby pins when you don't need them. And you can see that there are hairs sticking out, so those are where I'm going to focus the bobby pins on. Places where the hairs want to be wild. Look how cute it is. I really only wanted little ones. Yay! I'm so happy. I wonder if these are gonna stay. Like trying to win. I kind of look like a reindeer. I kind of want to start putting the gems in it because I'm really excited. Am I jumping the gun? Probably. Jordan is FaceTiming me. Okay, so for the rest of my hair, I'm just gonna do like some waves. And how I curl my hair is I'll show you on the next piece, but I always start up here. Your newer hair up here is going to be stronger and it takes more to curl it. So I always start at the base and then I slowly pull the ends into the barrel. So I have this little mirror thing. What I do is I turn around and look at my hair from the back just to make sure that I didn't miss any spots that were really needing to be curled. I'm gonna get some oil and run it through my hair. I'm gonna be using the Nourishing Plus coconut milk, and I'll just put a little half pump because I don't want my hair to look greasy or anything. And then this is what's gonna help me to separate out the curls. So let's go over to where I have good lighting. For today, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Warm Natural. I've never used this before, so is today a bad time to test out new makeup? Yeah. I'm gonna be using my usual stippling brush just to start blending this in. Wow, I actually really like this foundation. Okay, so now I'm just gonna push the Beauty Blender into my skin just to make sure that there are no like creases or anything. Alright, so now for concealer, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Light Beige. And I'm just gonna do a small dot here, here, in the middle of my forehead. And then I'm gonna take the extra concealer and go over my eyelids. That's gonna be my primer for when I do eyeshadow. And now my eyes look very gross, but don't worry, it'll all be blended out because I'm gonna go over it with the Beauty Blender, of course. Okay, so for the next step, I'm just going to set everything, and I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to be applying it with this IT Cosmetic brush. It just says powder on it. It doesn't have a number or anything, so I'm just pushing the product into the brush and then softly pressing in. Next, I'm just going to... Oh no! Anyway, applying the Hoola bronzer, I'm going to do that using this Real Techniques contour brush. And I'm actually going to only use the contour brush for my forehead, and I have a different brush that I'm going to use for my cheeks. I'm also going to use this same brush and just flatten it out to bronze up my nose. Okay, so for my cheeks, I'm going to use an IT Cosmetics brush, and it just says contour on it. I'm going to prep my eyelids just by putting that same Hoola bronzer on this Morphe M511 brush and just getting that in the outer ridge of my eye, and that'll just warm it up. For my blush today, I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Flushed Blush. It has a natural finish, but it does have not glitter in it, but a nice sheen. Still, I kind of prefer my e.l.f. blush in the color Shy. You guys know that that's the one I use in every single tutorial. The reason why I picked this one up is just to get some variety in there, because I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing the same exact products, but when I like something, I ride with it, and I don't really like sway from it. This one does put a really nice glow on your cheek, and I always just put it along my nose too. Alright, I'm saving highlight for last, so I'm going to work on my eyes now. I'm going to use the brow definer in the color Medium Brown. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I'm sure you guys already knew that because this is a popular product. And my eyebrows always look blocky when I first do them, but you know the drill, I'll clean it up after. Hi guys, I have no idea where this thing left off. My battery died, so you know, my eyebrows on, eyeliners on, I'm doing my lashes right now. Then all I have is lips, my outfit, and then I'm out the door. As far as right now is concerned, I really like how my makeup has turned out. I guess the real test will just be time, you know? How long will it last and how long will it look nice for? Just because I am wearing a foundation that I've never worn before. The eyeliner I used is one that I've recently fallen in love with, and it was the, God, what's it called? The Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. And then I just curled my lashes, and I'm putting on fake ones. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies in 120. They give you a nice full lash, but they look super natural. I love when I have eyeliner on because I have such like round eyes, big round eyes, so liner just really stretches them out and elongates them, makes them look more feline, cat eye type of look.
Hello.
Look at my hair.
Oh, it's cute.
Thanks. I'm like about to, oh no, I think I just got lash glue in my hair. I'll be there really, really, really soon.
Okay, cool. I'm excited.
Bye, little legend.
Bye.
I love you. Okay. Ah! Mom's not answering me. Now that that's on, I'm gonna use my NARS Climax mascara just to conjoin the two. I'm gonna start with the eye that's already all the way dry, and then I just push up on my lashes to make sure that they are connected, and I'll sometimes pinch it too. Using the NYX lip liner in Natural. And then my lip gloss is, I think, in my purse or something, so I'm gonna have to put that on in a minute, but that's the Buxom lip gloss in the color Dolly, which is my favorite. Guys, I just got back from the show. It's 1:40 in the morning, but I had so much fun, and I'm sure you guys can tell from the clips that I posted. I mean, doesn't it just look like a great time? It was my first time seeing Ariana, and I didn't have a lot of time to talk to you guys when I was filming earlier because I was in such a rush to get ready. I'm sorry, my eyelashes are falling off, but yeah, I didn't have a lot of time to actually talk to you about the show because I was trying to get ready really fast, but it was insane. I don't even know what to say. Normani was great, Social House was great, like everyone, exquisite. That's about it. I have to go take off all my makeup and go to bed because I have work tomorrow. Good night, guys. I will talk to you, see you in my next video. Bye. One last thing, I totally forgot to tell you guys to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment letting me know what you thought and leave me some video suggestions. Okay, so now bye.